There's so many challenges in this age, instant communication, changing technology. And with that, we've seen this fragmentation.
Raising children rooted in God's love begins where faith, science, and education meet.
So we want children to learn that they don't have to have, simply skill building, to go on their own success, but they can rely on the life-giving relationship with Christ and His grace during the rigors and the challengings of growing up.
It's a way to bring development under the umbrella of baptismal grace, sacramental living, and it's a way to integrate virtue and interpersonal neurobiology.
Discover God's plan for children of all ages with new lessons from the Dominican Sisters of Mary, Mother of the Eucharist, here on the Global Catholic Network, EWTN.